A total of 12 turtles were tracked in a project of tracking the movement of turtles at Galgi Baga Beach in Goa. There were two types of turtles, turtle A and turtle B. Each turtle of type A covered 19,300 units, while each turtle of type B covered 13,000 units. The sum of distances covered by 12 turtles was one was 1,87,500 units. If the number of turtles of type A and type B were interchanged, how much more or less would have been the sum of distances covered by 12 turtles? Now, let's solve this question by using the concepts of alligation, right? Let's just not blindly multiply the terms, right? And then taking the differences, adding values, and then finding the answer like a fourth and fifth standard children, right? No, let's just use the concepts of alligation. Let's just use the concept of alligation. Can you see this type of turtle A? I'm assuming, I'm assuming that type A and type B are in the ratio x is to y. I have to find this ratio. So type A turtle, these covered 19,300 units each. Type B covered 13,000 each, right? And the average number of or the average distance covered by each turtle, average distance covered by each turtle would be 187,500 divided by 12, because these 12 turtles covered a total of 187,500 units. So this would be the average distance covered by each. Distance covered by each turtle, right? And it would be 1 time 5 times is 60, so 6 times 72, 30, 2 times 24, and 5 times is 60. So this is the average units of distance covered by each turtle. Now, can you see I can use alligation now? I have this scale with me. So here are the type B turtles, which cover 13,000 steps each, and here are the type A turtles, which cover 19,300 each. And I'm getting the final average distance covered by each turtle as the 15,625. Can you see this difference is 2625? And this difference would be 375 plus 300, 675, and 16 and 3, 19, right? We need to cancel these out. So I can cancel it out by 25, 105. Let me use this pen. And 25, 117, 4 times, 175, 7 times. I can cancel it out by 21. 21 means 5 times and 21 means 7 times, right? So yes, these are in the ratio 7:5. So type A turtles were 5, type B turtles were 7, correct? That is why I'm getting the total distance covered is 187,500. When 13,000 is multiplied by 7 and 19,300 is multiplied by 5. Now guys, now I need to use your brains very smartly. अब देखना क्या करना है. Now what has changed is if the number of turtles of type A and type B were interchanged, correct? अब क्या हो गया है, ये number interchange हो गया, मतलब now you are having 5 turtles of type B and 7 turtles of type A. 7 turtles of type A. What would be the increase or decrease in the total distance, right? Guys, can you see this number was first multiplied by 5 and now it has to be multiplied by 7. So the net increase here, I'm writing this net increase or decrease here. Why am I saying decrease? Because number of turtles were 7. Now the turtles are 5, right? earlier I multiplied 13,000 by 7. Now I have to multiply it by 5. So the total distance would decrease, right? By how much? 2 times of 13,000, which means minus 26,000, right? And here the distance would increase by 2 units, right? So 19,300 into 2, because earlier I was multiplying it with 5, now I have to multiply it with 7, right? Had it been 5, it would have remained same, but plus 2 has increased in number of turtles, so it would increase by 19. 2 times is 38,600, right? So the net increase would be of 38,600 minus 26. If I take the difference, I would get 12,600 units more, right? Can you see this net difference is positive? So this has to be an increase, and option A would be the correct answer. Can you see these are the only calculations I have to do, right? So please use your concepts wisely to make the calculations in these type of these paragraph type of questions, right? To make them easy, to make those calculations easy, you can think of you can think like this. Okay, so the answer to this question would be option A.